Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the original stuffed animal over the door organizer. It's received 4.6 out of 5 stars and over 9,000 have been purchased in the past month alone on Amazon. Are your kids' stuffed animals taking over your home? Meet the ultimate solution, the over-the-door stuffed animal organizer. It's a simple, space-saving organizer that turns unused door space into a clutter-free zone. With multiple clear, breathable pockets, you can store and display stuffed animals of all shapes and sizes, keeping them organized, accessible, and off the floor. No tools required. Just hang it on any standard door and you're done. It's perfect for bedrooms, playrooms, or even classrooms. Plus, the transparent design makes it easy for kids to find their favorites while encouraging them to tidy up after playtime. Say goodbye to messy floors and hello to a clean, stylish room that sparks joy. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.